Hey guys, Bill from Shimamoto. Got my son Logan with me today, and we're going to be working on the Acura here. What we're going to be doing is changing the upper and lower control arms for the car. So we did the driver's side yesterday, and kind of to help us out, so when we do the video it doesn't come out too, long. So we did this one. We're going to do this one with y'all. And as we get the stuff apart, we'll video it. But I'm not going to video the whole thing because it's a process. It'll take forever, and it's been there's plenty of videos out there on it on YouTube. So this is to help my son with his stuff. Say hi, Logan. See, he's so friendly. All right, so we'll be back. Cut you back on when we get stuff off. All right, so back. Here's the deal. Yesterday, there were some steps that weren't included in video, or the cars didn't have it, so I'm going to show you. This lower control arm, trailing arm, this stud was giving us a problem, and the sway bar link up here was giving us a problem right here, this one. So after disconnecting those, I disconnected the stud that comes out here for the lower control arm, and the main stud that comes out of the back of the lower control arm. Loosen the castle nut and cotter pin off the ball joint. A couple good wraps on the lower control arm. This drops down. The strut bolt was removed as well. So that's how we did that. I'll get back with you guys when we get a little further, because we're going to also change the top one as well. So see you in a few, guys. Alright guys, so we're back. Now, this is all in, and believe me buddies, this was a fight. The bushings were so thick that they didn't want to let the bolt line up or get in or anything like that. As you can see, we had to hammer on it a little bit and kind of dinged it up, but it's in. All the bolts are up. Ball joints in. We're going to do the upper one. And like I said, there's about 100 videos on YouTube on how to do that one. So I'll just film it as we cut it, break it down and put it back together again. But there she goes. She's in. I'll cut these back on when we get the other ones started. Be back in a few. Alright, so as you can see, we dropped the strut, popped the top ball joint off, disconnected the upper control arm mounts. It's all up there. I'm sure you guys can see it. I can't stand up right now. I'm under the car. So yeah, I'll put it back on when we get the new one in and assembled. Be back at you. Alright, so it's all back together. There. All in place. Struts re-tightened down. We're all good to go. So that's all that does. To be honest with you, it was a lot harder than it looked. But I just think it's because everything was old. But, that's how it goes. Alright folks, I'll talk at you later. Bye-bye.